How to handle large purchases after divorce. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. After a divorce, many people find themselves needing to make large purchases, whether it's buying a new car, furnishing a new home, or investing in big-ticket essentials. But before you jump in, it's important to plan carefully so these purchases support your fresh start instead of creating financial stress. Let's walk through how to handle it the smart way. First, review your new financial situation carefully. Look at your income, expenses, and savings. Large purchases should fit comfortably into your post-divorce budget without dipping into emergency funds or relying heavily on credit. Next, plan your purchase intentionally. Shop around, compare options, and don't rush. Major life changes can make emotional spending tempting, but sticking to a clear plan will help you avoid buyer's remorse down the road. We helped a client who rushed into buying a luxury car after her divorce, and 6 months later, she realized the payments were more stressful than freeing. Had she waited and reassessed her finances, she could have made a purchase that truly fit her goals. At Divorce 661, we help clients think beyond just the divorce paperwork. We offer post-divorce planning tips to help you build a stable financial future, including smart strategies for large purchases. Also, consider waiting a few months after finalizing your divorce if possible. Lenders may want to see a stable income history, especially if you're relying on support payments. A short waiting period can strengthen your loan applications and even help you qualify for better rates. If you're recently divorced and want help organizing your next steps, legal, financial, and practical, visit divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you plan smart moves now so you can build a future that's secure, strong, and completely your own.